फायदा ना मला
Why did you go on him, Sydney? And Jennifer, why did you push me?
That's okay.
Why did you push me? What did I do to you?
Don't talk.
Why did you push me? Why did you push me, Jennifer? What did I do? I didn't even touch you. I didn't even say anything to you.